Hi, budding artists! Welcome to iArt Studio. This is Aishwarya Bharat. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel for easy painting videos. We are in the series of Indian paintings under the Eastern style. Just in case if you missed last week's mural painting using acrylics, click this link to watch it. And the second one we are painting today is Warli art. Without any sketch on the canvas, I am directly starting to cover the base layer of the canvas with 3 colors. The first one is lemon yellow. Do not mix too much of water in these acrylic paints. Let the coats be thick. Before it dries off, I am blending it with orange color. Repeat the same process, and before the orange color is getting dried, I am blending it with red color. The whole background will be of warm colors. They look attractive from a distance as well. Once the base layer is completely dry, I am sketching the human figures using a HB pencil and scale for perfect shapes. I have drawn 2 circles in different measurements and adding lines across the circle. The shapes are nothing but 2 triangles and a circle on the top. One of the important aspects of Warli painting is the tarpa dance. The tarpa is a trumpet-like instrument which is played in turns by different men. While the music plays, men and women join their hands and move in circles around the tarpa players. This circle of the dancers is also symbolic of the circle of life. And that is the scene we are painting today. Once the sketch is done, I am now painting the elements. You can paint it with a black in acrylics, but today I am using a black marker for one half, and for the other half we will be using acrylic paint. If you are wondering why I am using a marker here, it's just because I got a bunch of new markers to explore and to share the reviews of the products as well. Check the description box below to know the materials I am using for this art. It's the same process to paint the elements. Human and animal bodies are represented by 2 triangles joined at the tip. Their precarious equilibrium symbolizes the balance of the universe. Warli art focused on being environmentally conscious and finding joy in simple things of life. The Warli people lead fairly simple life. Earlier, they worshipped nature and depended on nature for food and everyday living. They did not believe in disrupting nature or taking more than what they needed. The Warli people believed in harmony between nature and man, and these beliefs are often reflected in their paintings. Traditionally, this painting is done on a red ochre background with white paint, and these are the only 2 colors used. But today, a variety of colors are being used to replicate their artistic motif on fabric, home decor, and other artistic forms. And so I have used black instead of white. After finishing the outer circle, I am now painting the elements in the middle, where men are playing tarpa and celebrating. The tribe has been using basic materials for painting like rice paste with water and gum for the white paint, and a bamboo stick as a paintbrush. But now we are changing the materials here. In all the 4 corners, I am painting men playing different musical instruments. This usually happens in the Indian wedding, followed by the indigenous tribe living in mountainous as well as coastal areas along the Maharashtra-Gujarat border and surrounding areas. I am now painting the hands joined by men and women. It could be done easily as cross lines. Draw them one by one, if not it might be a little confusing. For a change, I have now taken a small round brush and black paint to paint the remaining figures. Hereby you could see that there is no big difference between the marker and the brush. They yield the same result, and so it is your personal choice to paint using your favorite medium. Birds, squirrels, monkeys, snakes, and other animals are also depicted frequently in action in the Warli painting. Sign your artwork and now take a closer look of the final Warli painting. Subscribe to this channel for more Indian paintings in the upcoming weeks. See ya!